this is me, Lily, back with another video. And we have this awesome purple Play-Doh here, and we are going to be making some stuff with it. And I don't know what we are going to be making, so leave a comment down below what we should make with this lovely purple Play-Doh. So yeah, let me just open it. It's a bit hard to open, but yeah. So you see it's all purple, and I'll get it out. And this is the purple Play-Doh. So yeah, we are going to be doing just anything. I don't know what part. So first, I just kind of want to make it really like long. So yeah, actually I'll make it like very thin. Dad, is this thin or is this thin?
Thin?
Yeah, or thick? Is that thin or thick?
That's thick. This is thin.
I want it like very, very padded down.
So you get your, what's it, this part of your hand?
The palm.
That's the palm.
Okay, so get it and then we do it like.
And we just, that would be the hardest part of your hand here. And we just smack it down like that.
Yeah, so.
Smack it out. You want it thinner?
It's alright. So we made it all thin like.
Are you doing a Play-Doh tutorial?
Yeah, we made it like all like this, very, very thin. Then now that I think I know I can make, so yeah. So if you have something you could use, I think I'll make a face of this. So I'll use a pencil or something that can make little eyes. So yeah, got that. So now you see we have two eyes for yeah. And if you want it as a girl, you could probably do some other stuff like hair and eyelashes, because I'm not sure how well you would do hair with. So yeah, and done two eyes. And if we could probably do an alien, I could probably do an alien now. Yeah. So yeah. Then we do. Then we get a pencil again. Then we do like, if you want it like a surprise, this is just like doing kinda a big hole, which I'm doing a surprise today. So I want to like go all the way to see it. I'll just do it like this, so it looks like there's no hole in like the eyes have. So you do like that. Then we'll add some nose. The nose is like the eyes, but just one little bit bigger. And then I think I'll do a girl one since I'm a girl. So to make a girl one, you take it like this, then you just line it down until you get any hair you want. Then it'll do a little bit lighter. Then you'll be able to see the hair you've made. You'll still see the eye, but just yeah, like that. So like this, you see that bit? So that is the hair, like that. And yeah, so that is how you make a girl person, or if you want a boy person, I guess you could do like short hair. Let me just I'll do another video today of a boy person. So I hope you enjoy this. See ya and bye.